I state your full name, solemnly swear that I will support and defend the Constitution of the Republic of the Philippines and obey the laws and legal orders promulgated by the duly constituted authorities of the Philippines. And I hereby declare that I recognize and accept the supreme authority of the Philippines and will maintain true faith and allegiance thereto. And that I impose this obligation upon myself voluntarily without mental reservation or purpose of evasion. Please turn to the platform and place your right hand over your neck. Ma'am. Tumakas ka lang, ma'am.
Alag ng puso sa litig mo'y buhay. Lupang hinirang, duyan ka ng magiting. Sa manlulupig, di ka pasisiil. Sa lagat at bundok, sa simul at sa langit mong bukaw. Ay nilagang tulat, awit sa paglayang minamahal. Ang islap ng wataw at may tagumpay na naglilingig. Ang bituin at araw niya kailan ka may magdidilim. Lupa ng araw na walang makipagsinta. Kung ay langit sa piling mo, ang bigat